Yo, what's up everybody? It's Keith Baxter, and welcome back to the channel. Now if you're in Pensacola, and you've got some electrical work that needs doing, whether it's a big renovation project, or just some minor fixes, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're diving deep into the top electrical contractors in the Pensacola area. We're talking years of experience, proven track records, the whole 9 yards. So if you're ready to upgrade your electrical game and find the perfect contractor for your needs, let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with Gulf Coast Electric. Now, these guys are not new to the game. We're talking decades of experience serving the Pensacola community. Decades. And it's not just about how long they've been around, it's about the reputation they've built. Customer satisfaction is obviously key in this business, and Gulf Coast Electric consistently gets rave reviews. People trust them, and that's huge. You know they're doing something right when generation after generation is calling on them for their electrical needs. They're definitely worth checking out if you value experience and a proven track record. Next up, we've got Peden Air Conditioning, Plumbing and Electrical. Now, what's interesting about Peaden is they're not just electricians. They're your one-stop shop for all things home comfort. Need your AC fixed? They got you. Plumbing issues? They're on it. But we're here to talk electrical, and they definitely deliver on that front. Peaden is known for its reliability and comprehensive services. Whether it's installations, repairs, you name it, they've got the expertise to handle it. That kind of all-in-one convenience is hard to beat, especially if you're juggling multiple home projects. Now, let's talk about those unexpected electrical emergencies. You know, the kind that always seem to happen at the worst possible time? Well, that's where All Season Service Network comes in. They offer 24/7 emergency services, so you're never left hanging. But it's not just about being there when you need them. It's about having the skills to solve the problem. And trust me, these guys know their stuff. They've got a team of highly trained electricians who can tackle any electrical issue you throw at them. So if you value peace of mind and knowing you've got a reliable team on call 24/7, give All Season Service Network a look. Okay, let's be real. Nobody likes waiting around for a contractor, right? We've all got busy lives. That's where Mister Sparky stands out. These guys are all about punctuality and professionalism. They understand your time is valuable, so they show up when they say they will and get the job done right. But it's not just about being on time. It's about delivering top-notch service. Mister Sparky is known for its clean, courteous, and respectful technicians. They take pride in their work and aim to exceed your expectations. So, if you value professionalism and efficiency, Mister Sparky might be the perfect fit. Last but not least, we've got Barnes Electric. Now, what sets Barnes Electric apart is their versatility. They handle both residential and commercial projects with the same level of expertise. So whether you're building your dream home or need electrical work done in your office building, they've got you covered. They've got a deep understanding of electrical systems, from basic wiring to complex installations. Plus, they're committed to using high-quality materials and staying up to date on the latest technologies. So, if you're looking for a well-rounded electrical contractor With experience in both residential and commercial projects, definitely check out Barnes Electric. All right, everyone, those are your top electrical contractors in Pensacola. Finding the right electrician can make all the difference, so hopefully this video gave you a good starting point for your search. Remember, do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. And hey, if you've had any experiences with these contractors or have any other recommendations, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more local business breakdowns. We'll catch you in the next one.